Maybe Tomorrow by the Stereophonics. This is a fantastic song and uses 5 chords in the full song, but just 4 chords for the vast majority of it. Those chords with a capo at the 3rd fret, and a guitar capos available. The link is in the description below. We ship these worldwide. We have a C major 7, A minor, E minor, and D sus2 over F sharp. The final chord in this song is just a B7, making this a 5-chord song in total. And we've just added a fantastic new feature on my website, 100% free, where you can search through every song tutorial I've ever done by the number of chords. 2-chord songs, 3-chord songs, 4 and even 5-chord songs are all just a click away now. They don't get lost in the YouTube search or the YouTube algorithm. My top 10s, top 5 videos are also findable at a click. And you can also find songs with just the chords you know by just selecting the chords you know. Check it out. The link is at the top of the description, but this is andyguitar.co.uk/songs. It's a logged in feature, but it's 100% free. You don't even have to sign up to an email list or anything like that. You can opt out of all that. Just try the feature. It's really great. But getting back to the song, if we play those chords over the verse, it sounds like this. C major 7. I've been down and I'm wondering why these little black clouds keep a walking around with me. That's C major 7. It wastes time and I'd rather be high. A minor. Think I'll walk me outside and buy a rainbow smile, but be free. They're all free. That D sus2 is just a D sus2 with an F sharp note in the bass. That's what the / means. If you can do that on the beat, that would be great. So, for example, 4 strums per chord. 2, 3, 4. So maybe tomorrow I'll find my way home. So maybe tomorrow I'll find my way home. Now, I do not have a voice like Kelly Jones. His voice is incredible, isn't it? But we can add a strumming pattern to this as well. And this strumming pattern, we'll show it on screen as well. But it is down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So you can see that double line at the bottom. This means this is a 16th strumming pattern. That double line meaning we got semiquavers in this song. We need down, down, up, down, down, up for the first half. Make sure you can get that first of all. Down, down, up, down, down, up. I'm just muting my strings here so you can hear exactly what my strumming is doing. And then up, down, down, up. Up, down, 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 up. So that's how you're going to get this strumming pattern. If you struggle with it, if you can't get it straight away, split it in half. Get the first half first, second half, and then put it together, but get used to it slow first of all. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. And you can add a chord to it, but pause after each chord. Make sure your pattern is right. Don't just default to down, down, up, down, up for this one. You know, one of those common strumming patterns. They're great, but this one, it's got a vibe to it. Let's try and capture that vibe. Over a C7 chord, this would be down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Pause. Make sure you're playing that correctly first of all. Then on the A minor, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. And note at this point that it's on that last up. You will need to lift off your fingers of the chord to get to the next chord. For example, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 lift. That's how we make the change. Pretty cool, right? That will get you through the vast majority of the song until the higher section, probably call it the bridge. In the UK, this can be called a middle eight, but in America, it can be called a bridge. This would be the A minor, B7, my, 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 my. Same strumming pattern throughout. Lifting off at that same point. Let's have a full play along of this song now. Obviously, I don't have Kelly Jones's amazing voice, so play along to the original recording as soon as you feel able to. But I do want to show you how this song goes. So we'll do 2 rounds of that first chord progression with the strumming pattern, and then we're into the first verse. And it's the same progression until after the second chorus, okay? So, C major 7, join in with me if you can. In, 2, 3, 4. Been down and I'm wondering why these little black clouds keep walking around with me. To waste time and I'd rather be high. Think I want me outside and buy a rainbow and smile at the free. Oh, free. So maybe tomorrow my way on. So maybe tomorrow I'll find my way home. I look around at a beautiful life, been the upper side of down, been the outside of out, but we breathe. We breathe. I wanna breeze in an open mind. I wanna swim in the ocean, wanna take my time for me. Oh, me. So maybe tomorrow I'll find my way home. So maybe tomorrow I'll find my way home. A minor. Same again, A minor, B7, my. Let's go for a chorus. So maybe tomorrow I'll find my way home. So maybe tomorrow find my way home. That's maybe tomorrow. Check out more songs that you can play at your level with the chords you know, or 3, 4 and 5 chord song tutorials of mine exclusively at andyguitar.co.uk/songs. All you have to do is log in with a free account and you'll get that feature. I'll leave some other lessons on screen now that I think you might enjoy. All the best with this one, guys. Bye bye for now.